Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, right. Okay, uh, hello everyone, everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now, we are, yeah, we're staying at playlist of inertia, and in this videos, I want to show you uh, how to get data from a database and how to return this data to our landing page. Okay. Uh, the first, you can open your project in the VS Code, and after you open your VS Code, I'm sorry. Okay. You can go to the factories and you add a written body and the fact and text and one text. Okay. In one text, the maximum character is 200, and if you want to add a maximal character, you can add a number in this column. Okay, after you create factories, you can open in the database folders a seeder. Yeah. And first we have a post seeder, but we don't use it. Yeah, you can delete it. Okay, in the seeders folders, we just use one uh, seeder file. Okay, now in the seeder file, you just add this part. Yeah, posts because we want to add a data dummy in the uh, table post. Yeah, you can add the name of the tables of models post, and I want to create a text. Yeah, we you can add a factory and a create. Okay, and these numbers, you if you don't add numbers in place, you just create one data dummy. And if you write 10, you get a 10 data dummy. And if you write 20, you get a 20 data dummy. Okay, and first, aku udah nambahin sebelum itu 32 data dummy. Gitu. Jadi 30 dulu, terus aku tambahin 2. Nah, jadi aku udah punya 32 data dummy. And after this one, you must to write PHP artisan data DB seed. And after you write in the terminal PHP artisan DB seed, DP colon seed, you if you go to the database and you go to database.sqlite and you open the post table, yeah, you can see you have I have 32 data dummy. Okay, and now how to use this data dummy? The first, you must do configuration at the controller. Yeah, you can go to the post controller, and in the post controller, you must to add this one. Why? Because you want to uh, apa ya? Pokoknya kalau pakai all itu nanti semuanya itu semua data itu kita bisa ambil gitu dari si table post ini gitu. And you can add this part watch. Uh, After you do it, you can, open file home.jsx, add the folder resources. Yeah, you know, I uh, I changed the default home.jsx. Yeah. In the video before this, we just have the hello, the navbar and hello. And now we have 32 text. How to load 32 text from a database? Yeah, first you can add a div. Yes, and in this you can have uh, yeah, in this you add posts.map, and the post in the post, in the property post, we add a div, and we add a key property, post ID, and after this we have a paragraph, and this paragraph post dot body, and in a body in the post dot body we have 32 data dummy, and we get it. And after this, yeah, you can look, we loaded 32 data dummy. And now uh, I added CSS, the simple CSS. You just text ml and text select to press it on. The first in the body. I just change the size font, and we add padding in the border bottom. Okay, and you can look. This is a time. I get this data from column created at. Yeah. In the table post, we have four columns. The first body, and second created at. I'm sorry. The first ID, second body, and the next created at, and uh, update at. And we get data. We use data created at and a body. In the body, we have text, and in the created at, we have a time. Uh, and how why we use new that to local time string biar dia jadi kayak gini. Nah, kalau ini nggak ditambahin time, nanti if we don't write times, we get tanggal, bulan, days, month, and years. And if we add the time, we just use time. Yes, hours, second, and millisecond. And mm, if we don't use this part, I want to show you. Okay, if we just Yeah, this one. This is a default of if you get data from a database. Uh, you must to add a new date and dot total cal times 3 if you want to this one. And I'm add the CSS here, just text small and color text slate uh, 600. Okay, this is a simple homepage from me, and yeah, we can to get data from a database, and we can to load this data in the landing page. Okay, thank you for watching and listening, and see you at the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.